Blue Antidote presents How to Get Beautiful Glowing Skin at Home. One of the key elements of a person's beauty is clear, glowing skin. It's often one of the first things to catch attention. Having healthy, glowing skin helps you feel beautiful and confident as well. Your daily skincare and lifestyle habits have the greatest impact on your skin's health. Some of the main causes for the decreasing quality and texture of your skin are stress, poor nutrition, lack of sleep, pollution, damage from the sun's UV rays, smoking, and heavy drinking of alcohol. There are many skin and beauty care products available that promise to give you beautiful glowing skin. Many of those products come with a hefty price tag. Rather than relying on those products, try some simple home remedies to improve both the health and appearance of your skin. Number 1. Lemon. Lemon is one of the best ingredients for the promotion of clear skin. Lemon contains citric acid, which helps to keep the skin clear, while the vitamin C content of the lemon helps to reduce dark spots. Here's what you do. Take freshly squeezed lemon juice and apply it to your face and neck using a cotton ball. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Afterward, rub some cucumber slices on your skin to soften and moisturize it. Do this daily until you get your desired results. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which can add luster to the skin by bringing out its natural glow. How to do it? Mix equal parts of turmeric powder and gram flour with water or milk to make a paste. Apply the mixture evenly on your skin and let it sit until it dries. Wash it off with warm water, gently scrubbing your skin in a circular motion as you do so. Do this once a week to remove dark spots and bring out your skin's natural glow. Number 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is very beneficial for the skin. It contains antibacterial properties that help kill the bacteria that promote acne, and can also help to alleviate irritated skin. Here's what you do. Remove the gel from an aloe vera leaf. Apply the gel to your face using a cotton ball. Leave it on for about half an hour to dry, and then rinse it off with warm water. Number 4. Baking soda. Baking soda is helpful in balancing pH levels of the skin, which is crucial to maintaining clear skin. Plus, it can be used as an exfoliant as well as to fight acne, pimples, and dark spots. Here's what to do. Create a paste by mixing 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of water or lemon juice. Cleanse your face and then apply paste to gently exfoliate your skin. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. This method can be done twice a week. Number 5. Cucumber. Cucumbers are 96% water, which make them great for hydrating and nourishing skin. The nutrients in cucumbers can help rejuvenate your complexion, adding a natural glow to your skin. Here's what you do. Cut a cucumber into thick slices, then rub the slices all over your face. Let it stay on overnight, and then remove with warm water in the morning. Do this each night before going to bed. Number 6. Mint. Mint contains menthol, which has cooling and soothing properties that help to maintain your skin's health and natural glow. Here's how you use mint. Combine 1 teaspoon of mint powder and 1 tablespoon each of plain yogurt and Fuller's Earth in a bowl. Let it sit for half an hour, then stir to make a smooth paste. Apply the paste to your face and neck. Leave it on until it dries. Use these recipes often to get healthy, glowing skin. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up and share with others. For more Blue Antidote videos, subscribe to the channel. For more natural home remedies and recipes, click the link in the description below. Until next time, be happy, be healthy.